Good morning viewers, I'm Bunga Asmaulusna and this is
Ayu Andira
from Vocational High School 433 Jakarta bringing you the latest news for today.
The COVID-19 pandemic that hit the world, both including in Indonesia, greatly impacted the community. The National Libraries or Perpusnas and all libraries in Indonesia work together to continue to provide knowledge and improve people literacy.
Existence of National Library during COVID-19 pandemic increased by 130% during the COVID-19 pandemic. Digital services such as ePusnas are the choices of the public to overcome the situation of physical distancing and large-scale social restriction or PSBB implemented by the government. We have connected to reporter Afifah and Chita in Perpusnas, the National Library.
Thank you, Ayu Andira and Bunga Asmaul Husna. Good morning, everyone. I am Chita Mahlia Heldias, reporting directly from National Library of the Republic of Indonesia, Medan Merdeka Street, Central Jakarta City. From now on, cases of the spread of COVID have begun to decrease gradually. Public places have begun to reopen, by always implementing health protocols. Even in pandemic conditions like this, it does not reduce the interest of the community, especially students, in cultivating literacy. As we can see, here the visitors have started to come to visit this library. And the next interview will be delivered by Afifah at Studio 3.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Afifah Intan Nurmutia. Here, I have been researched on to interview directly about the existence of libraries in this COVID-19 pandemic period. Now, I'm with Nurul Aska. Hello, Nurul Aska.
Hi.
After this pandemic, is anyone still visiting this library?
Well, during this COVID-19 pandemic, as you can see, there are still many people who come to visit the library. And as I know, the number of the visitors usually limited based on the rules determined by the National Library itself. And I heard that the maximum quota is 2,000 people per day, and it's also limited the number of people per floor.
What is your purpose in visiting this National Library?
Well, my purpose is to borrow some books I need or I just want to read, and also looking for references to complete my task. And the book I borrowed helped me get some data to complete my research. And the last one is, it just became my hobby. By visiting the National Library, I can feel my free time here.
Okay, thank you, Nurul Aska. From Studio 3 back to Studio 2, Chita Mahlia.
Okay, thank you, Afifah. I am Chita Mahlia Heldias. Now I'm with Sevia. Sevia is one of the visitors in this library. I will interview still about the existence of libraries in the COVID-19 pandemic period. Sevia, is there any support access to be able to read books even via online? And what steps we can do to access them?
To access digital book via ePusnas application, you can install ePusnas on your device and make sure to register in the application using an email or Facebook account. Collection in the library can be borrowed a maximum of 5 books for 5 days. After 5 days, the return deadline will be automatically.
Are there any constraints on the services or facilities in the library?
In recent times, the library is still under construction, so the problem of borrowing books and facility service is delayed until the construction of the building is completed. Borrowing books in the National Library is only allowed for members only, so only active members can borrow collection books in the library.
Okay, thank you. Back to Studio 3. I am Chita Mahlia Heldias.
And I'm Afifah Intan Nurmutia. Said goodbye and went back to first studio.
Thank you.
As we know, the National Library reopened by implementing health protocols as well as visitors restriction. Operating hours and service quotas change. Since the pandemic, operating hours change on Monday to Friday at 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. with a quota of 2,000 visitors per day. Although there is a pandemic, the National Library is not empty of visitors.
That's all the news for today. Don't forget to always do social distancing, always wash your hands, and use masks wherever you go. Check this out at these channels to the latest update. I am Aiwandira and this is
Bunga Asmaul Husna.
Thank you for watching and
Have a great day.